Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing these color beads. And they got different, they got white, purple, and turquoise, or whatever color that is. And then it has the colors of these and these beads right here. So stay tuned and make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, the good stuff. So I'll be back when I finish designing what I want on here, and then yeah. So I will be using this thing right here to hook my charm. It's a snowflake charm. Yeah, I can see that snowflake charm. I'm gonna be hooking it on here. Then I've got my little spacers and stuff, and then my beads. I'm using this string. Then I have to come in here and get my jump rings out. I have to get my jump rings out. And I'll be using silver. And I'll be using my beaded needle today. So yeah, and I'll be showing y'all. I know one person asked she wanted to see how I put the thread on here, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all how I put the thread on here and put my stuff on here. So I'll be back. So right now I am putting this thing on the jump ring. So that it can go on my bracelet. Well, on the bracelet that I'm just doing. That's why I be telling me I can't even get these things on when they thick like this. I'm gonna have to do that off camera because it's not about to wreck my brain while I'm sitting over there making my fingers hurt. So I'll be back whenever I'm done putting this on here. I decided not to do that because it's hard to put on there and I don't have time for all that, but I know patience is the key. But no, this is what I have. So what I'm going to do now is put my beads on here and my spacers. But how are y'all today? I'm doing fine. How about yourself? I'm putting a pattern. Hold on, I messed up. Yep, messed up. Gotta be careful with this needle thing because it be sticking my finger. And I don't like when it does that. But I'm gonna be back with the beads on there. And I'm gonna put my string on there for y'all can see it. So this is what I have. I went on here and put the charm on there. This is what I got. So now I'm gonna take the thread and okay. This part right here, this little hook right here, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it through like this so it hooks. And then I'm gonna slide it on down. I just don't want this thing to stick my fingers because I don't got time for that. Nope, I don't got time for all that sticking my fingers. Because that stuff hurts. And I'm going to stick it through there. Take it off. Then I'm going to go around it. And it still needs some beads on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to come back because, like, yes, and sorry about yesterday. I ran out of storage yesterday. And it just pissed me off. So I'm going to just come back and show y'all what I got. So now what I'm going to do is clip it. And then I already done tied it up a little bit, but I'm gonna just do it again. Soon I will be making my own stickers. I got me a Cricut cutter and I will be making my own stickers soon. Probably show y'all how I do it. Probably won't. I don't know yet. But yeah. But this is what I got. This is the color that I got. That I have. I'm going to put this down and then I'm going to come back with another design and the same thing over and over and over until I'm done. So I'll be back. Okay, this is the color I got. Well, the pattern that I'm going for. So now what I'm going to do is take my beaded needle, and it was 4 patterns on this one. So I'm going to do 3 on this one. And then a spacer. When it's in the same pattern. I don't like when them beads get like that because it ain't going to come off. And another spacer. So I have purple, blue, and white. Spacer, purple, blue, and white. That's what it's going to be. So I'll be back with it on here. Okay, so once again, like this. And then I'm going to take my thread and make sure y'all still on because y'all still can hear me, and make sure that I am loud. Let's stick you right here. Right there. So what I'm going to do is take this string again. I don't know if y'all can see that little hook part right here. Right in here. So I'm going to take it and put it on there. Hook it on there. And then bring it down. And then I'm going to take it and unhook it. Then I'm going to go and stretch the thread out and go around. So I don't have a lot of beads on here. So what I'm going to do is put 2 more on here. Yes, that's right. Make sure it's stretched out and put it back. Perfect fit. And then I'm going to go and clip it again. I tied it up a little different this time. I'm tying it up 4 times. Make sure it's on there tight, like a bite, and it's right. And I'll be back. So this is the other bracelet. This is what I came up with. And I'm gonna be back with the last one and then show you all of them together. So this is what I got right here. I got design beads. Ooh, these beads on one side. And then I got the plain beads on the other side. So it'll be like 4 of each other plain beads and 12 of the beads that's I forgot about this one because I'm trying to use them all up, but I know I'm gonna have to put some more on there. This time I'm gonna go around that way so I can get this part, so I can stick this bead on here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna use this again. Yeah, stay tuned. But I'm gonna try to do a video for next month, all like, you know, every day. I'm gonna try and do that. Why not? I have, you know, I just do this and whatever else I need to do. But that's what I might just do. Do that, and yeah, might make a video all week, all day long. Well, you know, for December, do a whole video and stuff every day until it's up with. But this is what I got. So I'm gonna put the thread through here again. And bring it through. I want to do some Christmas bracelets, like the colors, because I don't have no charms for no Christmas bracelets. So I'll probably do just the colors of the beads for Christmas, for the holidays and stuff. So yeah, I'll be back. But yeah, that's what I might just do. I have to see what my schedule looking like. What I know it's not gonna look like nothing, because I don't do anything but do these videos and, you know, watch other YouTubers. Really, that's basically what I do. I get some tips from some YouTubers and all that good stuff. I'm gonna have to, yeah, of beads and stuff. But it's a lot on this one, so it really doesn't, you know, matter. because I didn't want it to be just three blue beads, and the rest is 4 on the white and purple. So make sure it's tight. I don't want to break it. Make sure that it's tight and right. So this is what I got. That's why I say this one is more bigger than these. That's the biggest one. Yep, this is the biggest one. See how it's dangling off like that, but this is what I got. I'll put it like this as I'm going around it, so it won't be, big on your arm. But this is what I have. I like it. So now what I'm going to do is put this on here, the tag on here, and close it up. And then I'm going to stick it probably right here so that y'all can see my beautiful work of what I done did. I know you can't really see it because it's far off, but yeah. I'm going to have to put the other ones right here, over there, and around. That's what I'm going to have to do. Yep, put it all around here in my things. But down here, I know, hold on, let me see. No, y'all can't see it. But, hold on. But see, down here, this is my Cricut cutter that's still in the box that I'm going to have to put together and all that good stuff. Well, I don't have to put it together, but I have to put it to my computer and all that. Then I have the paper for it, my sticker paper. And then, of course, I have to have ink to put in my printer. So, yeah. And I know I'm going to have fun doing it because I like doing stuff like that. So, yeah. I think I might show y'all when I'm done with them, or show y'all what I got, and then, all that good stuff, what I designed and how I cut out and all that stuff. But yeah, this will be my first time doing something like that too. So, yep. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.